Good morning class. Today I am going to take chapter number 3, countable and uncountable noun. So what about countable noun? Things we can count, that is countable noun, and uncountable noun, things we can't count, that is uncountable noun. So here you can see one picture in front of you in your book. Open page number 70. So here some plates, some balls, one water bottle, some boxes and some many things here. You can see plates you can count, bowl you can count, water bottle you can count, 1 2 3 4 boxes you can count, one dustbin you can count. But some papers here, sugar, coffee, salt, tea, that you can't count. So that all are uncountable noun, and boxes, plates, ball, that all are uncountable noun. So here come to see this adjectives used with countable and uncountable noun. So what type of adjectives used with countable and uncountable noun? Here adjectives of number such as 2, 10 or 100, may any number you can take, that all are adjectives of number. And adjective of quantity such as many, several or few. You can see an example. Several people stopped and stared at the man in the strange dress. Several people you can see here. 20 girls, 100 voices. So some are the example of adjective of number and adjectives of quantity. So come to the next page. So here you can see uncountable noun. So by the example you can understand it in easy way. A little, some, no, a lot, much, that all are the uncountable noun. You can't count these things. So here you can see more time, this is the no measurement. Little attention, no measurement. Hard work, no measurement of this. So that all are uncountable noun. Using quantity for uncountable noun. Using quantity is the measurement. So most uncountable concrete nouns can be qualified by mentioning their portions by or by using an appropriate value of measurement. So quantity is measurement. So butter is the concrete noun, and 500 gram, that is the measurement of the butter. Butter is the concrete, 500 gram is the measurement quantity of the butter. So paint, here you can see paint is also concrete, but the 3 cans is the quantity of the paint. Next you can see the use of many and much. How to use of many and much? Many people, much love, many cups, children, many cup of milk were given to the children today morning. So these are the examples of many and much. Here you can see use of few and little. This is also quantity, few and little. Few is used in the case of countable noun, whereas little is used uncountable noun. So here you can see few is countable noun, little is uncountable noun. A few means some and not many. Very few means less than a few. Few means hardly any or almost none. So come to the next page. So example, a few people were there, but they were more interested in tea than the meeting. Very few people turned up for the movie due to the heavy rain. So these are the example, few, little, a few, that all. So try to complete page number 19. We'll see solution of this in the next part. Thank you class. Thank you very much.